Yo, so.
Oh shoot! It just came out.
What?
Thing.
So, yo, we're like out here.
Huh?
We're.
Past the red line. You're not supposed to go past the red line on things.
Yo, that's so sketchy though.
Ah, come on.
Yeah, so.
It won't go.
It won't. Yeah, so I'll show you guys the beehive that we've been trying to hit down.
Bro, take this thing.
Okay. Well, I mean, I was trying to be a nice citizen.
And what?
What happens if it goes past the red line?
Tip it that way. But you stop recording that dumb crap. Here, bring it back. Bring it back. Back.
What are you doing?
Let's go. Watch out. Watch out.
Huh?
Go. Let's go. Don't drop it.
There you go. Alright, so.
Dang it, dude.
I'm gonna show you guys this beehive. We've been trying to hit it down with the basketball and a football, but his football got stuck. So, see, yeah. So, I'm gonna change my name right now. So, bye.